How to fix Gmail sync issues. So if you want to fix your Gmail sync issues, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. You can check that by going to fast.com and then check your internet speed. And if it's okay, then you just need simply go with your email and then refresh your page. You can go with your Gmail application, refresh it, or just reload the browser page. If you're on your mobile, go to the settings and make sure that your Gmail sync is turned on. If that does not work, then remove your Google account and then add it again. Now clear your Gmail cache to remove any corrupted temporary files. And check your Google storage because full storage can stop syncing. You can go with your profile, which will be on the top, and then go with manage your Google account. And you can go with account storage, which will be on the left side, and you'll be able to see your storage. If your storage is full, then just simply go and remove some storage of your Gmail or your Google account, and your problem will be fixed. And you can turn off your battery saver or your data saver because they can block syncing. And finally, you can reset your device. And after restarting, the problem will be fixed. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.